Hello everyone, my name is Saeed Ibran and here I am to present a demonstration lecture for the position of physics faculty. Okay, so today I am going to speak about the chapter gravitation, and from the chapter gravitation this is our topic, acceleration due to gravity. And here I am going to speak about acceleration due to gravity at the surface of earth. Okay, so we can write down here at earth surface. As we all know that the value of g, that means acceleration due to gravity at earth's surface, is equals to 9.8 meter per second square. So let's determine the value of g here. Okay, suppose this sphere is our earth. Okay, the shape of the earth is not a perfectly spherical. Okay, here we are assume it. Okay बच्चों, that is the me. Me represented the mass of the earth. Okay, here we assume our particle. M is the particle, or you can say small m is the mass of particle. Okay, clear? The particle is placed at the surface of earth. Me is the mass of earth. The mass of earth is equals to 6 into 10 is to power 24 kg. Please remember the value 6 into 10 is to power 24 kg. Okay, that is the center of earth. So according to Newton's law of gravitation, you all know that the center of the earth will attract each and everything. Okay, and this is the gravitation force. This force of attraction is actually known as gravitational force. Okay, so we can write down here Fg. Okay, the separation between the m particle and the center of earth is small r. Here this small r is equals to the radius of earth. You all know that what is the radius of earth? That is equals to 6400 kilometers. And if you want to predict it, determine it in meters, then the radius of earth is equals to 6400 into 10 is to power 3 meters. That is equals to 64 into 10 is to power 5 meter. Okay, so apply Newton's law of gravitation. Apply NLG, that is Newton's law of gravitation. That is the force of gravitation. Nature of the gravitation force is always attractive. That is the gravitational force. You can see the nature is attractive. The earth will attract each and everything towards the center. Fg equals to g, that is the mass of the earth, that is mass of the particle, and separation between them is r square. Okay, the F, the force of gravitation, is equals to the weight of the particle. And what is the weight of the particle? Weight equals to mg. Now that is equals to g, mass of the particle, mass of the earth, and square of radius. You can cancel out from small m to small m. Here the g equals to g me upon re square. You know that the value of g is the universal gravitational constant. First you have to remember this formula, that is very important. Okay, the value of g equals to 6.67 into 10 is to power minus 11 Newton meter square upon kg square. Okay, re is the radius of earth, and this radius of earth is equals to this one, 64 into 10 is to power 5 meter. Okay, the mass of earth, we have already determined the mass of earth, 6 into 24 kg. Okay, you have to remember some things in this derivation. Put down all the values in this formula. So g equals to 6.67 into 10 is to power minus 11 multiplied by the mass of the earth, that is equals to 6 into 10 is to power 24 divided by the radius of earth, and radius of earth is equals to 64 into 10 is to power 5 meter. When you solve all the things, 6.67 multiplied by 6 and divided by 64, then what will you get? You will get the value of g, that is equals to 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, that is value of g. Thank you.